In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to extract text from PowerPoint to Word quickly and professionally. This is perfect if you want to convert your slides into editable notes, create printable handouts, or repurpose your presentation content into a document without copying and pasting everything manually. The best part is that PowerPoint has a built-in feature that does all the heavy lifting for you. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open the PowerPoint presentation that contains the slides you want to extract. Once your presentation is open, go to the top left corner and click on the File tab. This will open the Backstage view where you'll see several options in a menu on the left-hand side. From that left side menu, click on Export. The Export section allows you to convert your presentation into different formats, including PDF, video, and most importantly for this tutorial, Microsoft Word. After clicking Export, look for the option that says Create Handouts. Go ahead and click on Create Handouts. You'll now see a button on the right side also labeled Create Handouts. Click that button to continue. PowerPoint will now open a new dialog box called Send to Microsoft Word. This is where you choose how your slides will appear inside the Word document. You'll see multiple layout options, such as notes next to slides, notes below slides, outline only, and blank lines next to slides. For this tutorial, select blank lines next to slides. This option places each slide on the left side of the page and adds blank lines on the right side, making it perfect for taking notes, editing text, or expanding your content inside Word. Once you've selected blank lines next to slides, click OK. Now wait a few moments while PowerPoint processes the file. Microsoft Word will automatically open and your slides will be transferred into a new Word document formatted as handouts. When Word opens, you may land somewhere in the middle of the document. Simply scroll up to the top to start reviewing your content. You'll see each slide inserted as an image on the left with blank line space on the right. From here, you can click into the blank areas and start typing additional notes, or you can copy text directly from the slide images if needed. If your goal is to extract just the text in a more editable format, you can also go back and choose the outline-only option instead. That option transfers only the slide text without images, making it easier to fully edit and reformat the content in Word. This method saves a huge amount of time compared to manually copying and pasting slide by slide. It's especially useful for teachers creating lecture notes, business professionals preparing reports, or students turning presentations into written assignments. And that's it. That's how you extract text from PowerPoint to Word using the built-in Handouts feature. Quick, simple, and no extra software required. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials on PowerPoint, Word, and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.